Embattled former Anaheim Mayor Harry Sidhu has refused to publicly disclose emails and text messages from personal accounts he used to conduct city business, calling into question how thoroughly a city-commissioned investigation can probe a corruption scandal tied to the aborted sale of Angel Stadia. In emails obtained by The Times, Sidhu's criminal defense attorney claimed the former mayor's past communications about city business on private devices were no longer public because he has resigned and invoked his client's Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Public records experts say the refusal flouts California law, leaves a critical gap in public understanding of behind-the-scenes actions that upended the political establishment of Orange County's most populous city, and could encourage other government officials to use private accounts to conduct There are, by law, public records that the government has the right to get back. It's going to encourage public officials to go ahead and do business on their private emails, especially if they're anticipating no longer being part of the government. That would create a disastrous situation for the public to know what its government is up to. Sidhu resigned in late May after an FBI affidavit supporting a search warrant that targeted him was unsealed. The affidavit, which detailed him using personal email for city business, alleged there was probable cause to believe he had committed honest services fraud, obstruction of justice, witness tampering and other crimes. Anaheim subsequently received several requests under California's Public Records Act for emails and text messages Sidhu sent or received while mayor. Though city officials searched Sidhu's work email for responsive records, the law requires him to do the same on personal accounts. But Sidhu's attorney, Paul Meyer, refused in a June 22 email to city attorney Robert Fabella. On the advice of counsel, Meyer wrote, "Despite the fact that we believe no federal or other criminal violations will ultimately be filed, or proved, against Sidhu, under the established theory that the Fifth Amendment was created for the protection of innocent persons ensnared in." Carl Olson, a public records litigator at Canada, O'Toole, Fix and Olson in San Francisco, pointed to a California appellate court ruling in 2007 that specifically cited corruption as a reason the public has the right to access government records.